free. Earth is the place for you and me. Our world, spinning round the sun, is shared by each and every one. Let's hope we can clearly see. We all need the birds and the bees and the trees and the mountains that tower high. From the land to the seas to the big blue sky, it's Earth Day for everyone. Every person, every girl and boy, join together and sing with joy. It's Earth Day every day. We're all on a trip around the sun. Earth is the home to everyone. It's Earth Day. Children, come gather round. Mix your singing with nature's sound. Children, you hold the key to the future of the planet, from the land to the sea. Children, make a worldwide team to keep our blue earth safe and clean. Join hands in the shining sun. Protect this land for everyone. It's Earth Day